Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a change request in SuperConstruct. Open the SuperConstruct application, go to your company, and navigate to the project where you want to create the change request. On the left side navigation bar, click on the Change Request module. Now, click on Create Change Request. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the SOV on which you want to create the change request. Select the required SOV and click on Create. Next, select the approver for the change request, who will review and approve it. In the existing CR field, you can optionally select any existing change requests if needed. Now select the divisions for which you want to create the change request. The divisions are categorized into two types: in scope, which are already part of the original SOV, and other divisions which are not part of the SOV. Select the required divisions and then choose the tasks. You can select tasks from both in-scope and out-of-scope categories. Now select the due date for the change request and choose the type of reference. Enter the subject for the change request to describe what the request is about. Next, provide a detailed description explaining the reason for raising this change request. You can also attach supporting documents if required. Below the description, all the selected tasks will be displayed. Each task will be marked as in scope or out of scope at the end of the row. Now update the values for each task. The current cost column shows the original value of the task from the SOV. This is available only for in-scope items. The cost impact represents the additional or reduced amount you want to apply. You can increase or decrease the value using the drop-down provided. The revised cost will be calculated automatically based on the cost impact. You can also view the original start date and end date. If needed, update them by entering new dates. The duration will be recalculated automatically, and the schedule impact will reflect the difference between the new and original duration. Once all the required details are entered, click on Continue. You will now see a summary of the change request. Review all the details carefully, and if everything looks correct, click on Submit for approval. The approver will be notified for further review.